Okay, I'm gonna get started on, no I'm not, no I'm not. I look insane. I did my eyeliner. What the? Oh. It is 6:20 and I just woke up. I'm getting some morning cuddles in with my cat. Then we're gonna start getting ready. Now that I have some coffee in my system, my name is Juliet. I am a 22-year-old living in Los Angeles. And today I'm just gonna be showing you how I budget my money and what I spend and what I save on. I just finished my shower. Today I did not wash my hair because it's straightened and I don't wanna have to go through all that again. But can we just look how precious? Now that I've showered my body, I am going to do my hair and my makeup. I work for the Ouai, actually. I am their brand marketing intern. I've been working for them for about 6 months now, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. It is so fun. Before I put any makeup on, I'm gonna show you what I do for my hair. I did not wash it because it is pretty much straight, and I don't want to have to go through straightening it again. So I'm just gonna go over a few little pieces, some sections again, make sure they're completely straight. I used the Ouai's leave-in conditioner, which this is $26. I'm gonna brush my hair out and just go over it with the straightener. This is day 3 of not washing because I straightened it a few days ago, and it is a little bit greasy, so I'm not worried about that at all because I have my Ouai Super Dry Shampoo, and this is $24. So I'm gonna section my hair like so, and then you really just get it in there. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on, no I'm not. I look insane. To get the dry shampoo out, you really gotta give yourself a nice head massage, you know? Just wake yourself up in the morning. You definitely wanna do more of a like rubbing like this rather than with your fingertips. Rub it out of your head. So after that, I have to brush my hair. Now that my hair has the dry shampoo in it, I also add the texturizing hairspray by Ouai. This is $26. And I use Jen's butterfly method, where you slowly release all the hair. And then afterwards, I go in with the finishing cream by the Ouai. The finishing cream is $24. And I just take a little baby dollop and I will add this through my hair, especially at the top where I get some little frizzies. Now that my hair is done, I'm gonna get into my makeup. So I clip my hair back so that nothing gets in my face. I take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is $24. And I just put this on my eyes just because I get pretty bad veins and discoloration, I feel like, on my eyes. So I just like to cover that up as much as I can. And this stuff lasts you a while. I use the Bye Bye foundation by It Cosmetics. This is $40. I use this to cover up any imperfections I might have. Example 1, this guy right here. So I basically just put that all over my face. After my foundation, I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, which is $25. I love this stuff. It really covers everything. And I'm also setting my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder on this. That powder is $40. It's a Splurge. Okay, this is why I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, so after that, I don't really bake, I just leave it for a second. The days that your skin is bad are the days that you have to overcompensate with makeup, and that is so messed up because now I have to overcompensate and pile makeup on my face, which is the opposite of what I should be doing. So I just hate this. After I do my foundation and the base of my makeup, I use this Becca Cosmetics bronzer. It has like a little bit of shimmer in it. This is $38. So for a bronzer, it's pretty pricey, but it is one of my favorites and it looks really good on me, so it's something I'm willing to splurge on. After that, I use my NARS blush. This is $30. I'm using the color Luster. You know, I'm putting a lot of makeup on before work because I'm just trying to show off for you right now. I don't usually put this much on. After my blush, I go into my highlight. This is Becca Highlight. It is $38, and everyone knows this is the shit. So yeah, $38. Again, something I can't live without. After my face is done, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is $23. I have a scar in my eyebrow, so I have to cover that one up. After that, I use another Anastasia Beverly Hills for my eyebrows. This is the brow gel. It's $22. I just really brush them up and then I just clean them. This is the last step in my makeup that I have to do that I literally hate this step. This is the worst step. I don't know why it exists. There should have been something that has come out that has made this simpler by now. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This is the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner. It is $27. This is the same eyeliner I heard Adele uses, so it's not gonna look like Adele's, but I'm gonna try. The thing is, when you get your eyeliner right, no one can touch you. No one. All right, I'm gonna need some moral support to get this one matching this one, okay? Okay, this might not be the best eyeliner I've done, but I'm also not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. And I'm done. I did my eyeliner. What the? Oh. And last but not least, for my makeup, I use my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. This is $13. So now that my hair and makeup are done, I am going to pick out what I'm gonna wear to work today. The outfit I picked out today is pretty simple. I'm just wearing my Doc Martens with some black skinny jeans and this top that was actually my mom's. It's like a purple velvet top. I really love it, super comfortable. Before I leave for the day, I always turn on a squirrel video, some type of bird video. She loves this one. So that's her thing. Fun fact, I use men's deodorant, by the way. I'm also bringing some coconut milk to work, just so I can have the coffee at our work because we have cold brew on tap. So I just felt like a little troll as I was leaving, so I didn't change my bottom, but I did change my top. I feel more comfortable now. I am now arriving to work. It is about a 30-minute commute for me, so it is a little long. So I do have to get gas twice a week. I usually get it on Sunday, and then today is Tuesday, so Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on whenever I run out. But I like driving in the morning. It's a nice meditation, so I don't mind the commute at all. It's just the gas that gets a little bit pricey.
I'm fine now. I'm trying to work out today.
But I'm still going. I still go, but I do
Today at the office, we're getting lunch for free, so I don't have to buy it today. Now that I'm off work, I am headed home to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's right by my house because it's pretty affordable. It's not like Whole Foods where everything is overly priced. So now I want to explain my living situation. I live on the west side of Los Angeles in Playa Vista. The reason why I moved there was because it was so close to my school. But now I'm living there because it is great for safety. I am very lucky, very blessed that my parents are helping me out with my rent right now as a 22-year-old. My family and I have been talking about what I'm going to start doing to contribute to my rent. So I am super, super blessed to have parents that are helping me out during this time when I'm figuring out my budgeting and how I'm spending my money and how I'm saving my money. I'm so lucky to have them supporting me through this. Okay, so I am at Trader Joe's now, just picking up some of the grocery items that I need for this week. It's just some salads, and I like to get some freezer items for if I don't have time to make dinner or if I don't have money for Postmating. These are some of my favorite vegetarian items for meals. I like to get a lot of these to stock up. Getting salads from this section because they are already prepped and I don't have to do anything. Grocery shopping is done and it came out to about $44 in total. Because I am focused on my career right now, I am on an internship salary, which means I don't make a ton of money. And I know it's not typical for every 22-year-old, but I'm very, very, very grateful for the position that I have. I don't feel like the independent adult that I want to feel like yet, but I know that comes with time and saving money. I am exhausted from work and I just want to rest. So until I make dinner, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos and chill out. Now that I've been relaxing for a while, I need to take my makeup off. So I first use this Lancome eye makeup remover with some cotton rounds, and this is much more gentle on my eyes than the makeup wipes that I use. So I do this first just because it is more difficult to get off. This Lancome product is $40 for a big bottle of this, but it works so well and you don't have to use that much to get it off. And I've like hardly even made a dent in this stuff, so very worth it. Next I use the Neutrogena makeup cleansing towelettes to get my face makeup off, and I honestly can't wait to take this off. Oh my god. These are $5 for a pack of, there's 25 in a pack. Now that my makeup's off, I'm gonna wash my face with CeraVe. This cleanser is $13 and it's the best. It's the hydrating facial cleanser. I love it so, so much. My face is all clean, so I'm going to go into my skincare for nighttime. Again, I'm using the Thayer's Witch Hazel that I use in the morning. This is $5–6, available at the drugstore. Love it. After that, I go in with my Lyra Ice balancing lotion. This is $40 for a bottle, and I use this as my lotion at night, and I love it so much because it's really refreshing and like almost like eucalyptus minty smelling. So finally at night, I don't use too much at night. I just like to put lotion on my face and that's it, because I roll around a lot and rub most of it off. But I use this Siente illuminating eye cream. My dermatologist recommended I get this because I have terrible under eye bags, and I was asking her a product to get to help those. And I don't put this on in the morning because it like pills up, and I don't like how it works underneath my products in the morning, so I just put this on at night, and it feels so nice, and I think it helps. I've been using it for about a month, and I believe my under eyes have improved vastly. That's all I do for nighttime. I just brush my teeth after dinner, and that's all I do. Thanks for watching how I save and splurge in Los Angeles as a 22-year-old female. I am gonna go to bed now, and well, I'm not gonna go to bed. I'm definitely gonna watch some Netflix. I appreciate you for watching. Like and subscribe.